If pollen isn't wrecking my life, strong fragrance in my hair care products sure will. Spring allergies are already brutal, so the last thing I need is the fragrance in my hair care setting my sinuses on fire. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new here, hi, my name's Courtney, and today the before hair is beforing. Oh my lands. What is this rat nest that is on my head? I think this might just be the most atrocious before hair I have ever demoed on my channel. I don't know about you, but in the springtime, my allergies just get atrocious. They really do. And when my allergy load is really heavy because of all of the pollen in the air, I find that I get way more sensitive to fragrances in my hair care products, which can be really frustrating when I have a product that works incredibly well for me most of the time, but all of a sudden I can't take it anymore simply because of the fragrance. I have actually gotten hives on my face because of fragrance in hair care. I can be that sensitive. The wild thing is that some products that are extremely heavily fragranced don't bother me. However, it makes my heart so happy when some of my favorite hair care brands expand their line to include fragrance-free options, which brings us to the sponsor of today's video, COURTNEYLF. This is a brand that I have had the absolute pleasure and honor of working with over the years. They are on a mission to feed the world's curls. It's absolutely adorable. They are constantly expanding their product line, their product range to include every need of different hair types. And they even include fragrance-free products for those of us who are extremely sensitive to fragrance. Now, if this is sounding a little bit familiar to you, it may be because back in the day, COURTNEYLF already launched their fragrance-free line. So yes, you have seen me use the COURTNEYLF fragrance-free hair products before, but they have reformulated. So if back in the day you tried out the fragrance-free line, the Shine line, and found that it wasn't quite the perfect fit for you, you might find that this updated formula works so much better. So without further ado, let's take this nasty, grubby, I think it's only like day 3 hair and wash it and style it because I need to wash my hair. Let's go. First things first. Hello there. Hi. Welcome to my tub. Going to get my hair nice and soaking wet before I grab the COURTNEYLF fragrance-free shampoo. This is supposed to be a gentle, soothing shampoo for all curl types. It's designed for those who are prone to fragrance sensitivities, but don't want to compromise the health of their curls. Love that. Love that we have a fragrance-free shampoo that is specific to curly hair. This shampoo is actually based on the COURTNEYLF Essential Moisture Shampoo, which I love so much, but I've actually seen some of y'all complain about the fragrance. This is the same formulation as that shampoo with no fragrance. I am going to be shampooing my hair twice today because you can see that my hair didn't get super foamy on the first round. So I'm going in with a double cleanse, and I'm going to be a little bit more precise with where I put the shampoo. You can see that I'm parting my hair and really placing that shampoo directly on my scalp, really massaging with my palms and the pads of my fingers to really move that lather through my hair. And you can see that it foamed up quite a bit more on the second cleanse, which we love. Did I mention that the shampoo has rosemary in it? Love that because it's anti-inflammatory and crazy soothing. All right, now that that shampoo is thoroughly rinsed out, it's time to go in with the fragrance-free conditioner. And you guessed it, this is the same formulation as their Essential Moisture Conditioner. It's designed for those prone to fragrance sensitivities, just like the shampoo. And it's really meant to help smooth down the hair cuticle without weighing your hair down so that detangling is super easy. I can attest to this. My hair was insanely tangled when I started this wash day, and check it out. My fingers are just rip-roaring, gliding through my hair with all the ease of a man swinging on the giant trapeze. Now I'm just gonna brush that through for super even distribution. This has avocado oil, shea butter, coconut oil, which are all deeply nourishing that are moisturizing without causing buildup. They also help soothe the scalp and promote healthy hair growth, which we love. All right, I'm just rinsing out that conditioner now before I go in with the fragrance-free leave-in conditioner. This is the same formula as the original Shine fragrance-free leave-in conditioner. It's just new packaging. You can see that I am grabbing the teeniest little amount because this is deeply conditioning and nourishing. You really don't need a lot. A little bit goes a super long way for me. This contains the same good old babassu oil, castor oil, and jojoba oil, which are all really nourishing but lightweight. This will not weigh your hair down. Now you can see that I am organizing my curl clumps after I finger combed that leave-in conditioner through, brushing my curls into style that I like. This is how I brush style my hair. I find that it really aligns all of my curl clumps and makes sure that everything is where I want it before I lock it all in place with a very blurry, stronghold, fragrance-free gel. This is the same formula as the original Shine gel. They did not update this formula. They just changed the formula of the shampoo and conditioner, but the leave-in and the gel are the same awesome products that they once were. I tell you what, if they ever discontinue this Stronghold gel, I will be sad. I love this gel. This has been one of my favorite gels from Curlsmith for a super long time. It reminds me a lot of some other gels that give great hold that are kind of like gritty, but in a good way. They make my hair feel really, really shiny. It contains lemon peel, jasmine flower, and hops, which are an excellent ingredient to promote healthy hair growth. Lots of really nourishing ingredients in these products while also being fragrance-free. You can see that I just glazed that over and scrunched it in really, really well. I really want to make sure that I'm turning my head from side to side and scrunching all the way to my roots. This is what the curl clumps are looking like after I have washed and styled them. Honestly, this is looking real promising. I'm just gonna go plot my hair and diffuse. And here we are with the hair 100% dry. I did not get a crazy hard cast because I did use a little bit of leave-in conditioner underneath. I don't need much leave-in conditioner now these days, but usually that gel gives me a rocking cast, a super hard hold cast. So let's go ahead and scrunch this out and fluff it and reveal the wash day result. Oh, this one's so cute. I love this one, this little curl. Right by my ear. And here are the final results, scrunched and fluffed. And because I know you love it, here is what the hair was looking like at the end of the day. After running around, chasing children, going outside in the very bad West Texas wind, all the stuff and things. And this is what the hair was looking like on the morning of day 2. Not too shabby, not too bad. My hair and scalp feel so good, and it's been lovely having a break from fragrance for my allergies' sake. And I know the main focus of this video has been that these products are not fragranced, they're fragrance-free, but honestly, the way my hair looks and feels, I would use these products even if they did have fragrance. I mean, that's kind of silly to say because 9 times out of 10, hair care products do have a fragrance, but there are so many people out there that have such severe allergies when it comes to fragrance that it's nice that there are actually products that perform really, really nicely, absolutely beautifully, that are fragrance-free. A lot of times what you'll see happen in the hair care industry is that the products will originally be formulated with fragrance, the product will be great, and then later they come out with a fragrance-free option. I don't know about you, but every time I've tried a fragrance-free version of a product I loved that had a fragrance, I swear the formula is different and the products don't perform the way I want them to. These products from Curlsmith actually perform really, really well. They make my hair feel good. The shine, the curl retention is just wonderful. Makes me so happy. So I know there are a lot of other products out there that are fragrance free. Thank goodness there are some options out there for us that are so sensitive to fragrance, but these are the kind of products that I would reach for regardless of if I was having an allergy day or not, because how good they make my hair look and feel. As always, I sure hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!